Hi guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy today. I will tell you our 1979 quarter dollar introduction. Hello, coin enthusiasts! Welcome back to Numismatic Coin One. Today, we're diving into the world of pocket change with a potentially extraordinary find, the 1979 quarter. Could this unassuming coin be worth millions? Stick around as we uncover the secrets behind its value. But before we jump into this exciting journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our coin discoveries. Now, let's unravel the history and potential fortune behind the 1979 quarter. Historical background. The 1979 quarter might seem like just another coin, but it was minted during a pivotal time in American history. Let's take a trip back to 1979 and explore the significance of this quarter before we discuss its current value. Now, you might be skeptical. Can a quarter from 1979 really be worth millions? Well, let's delve into the factors that contribute to its value. From rarity to condition, there's more to this quarter than meets the eye. Factors influencing value. The 1979 quarter stands out due to various factors, including potential errors, mint marks, and the overall condition of the coin. Collectors are on the lookout for specific characteristics, and if you're lucky, you might be holding on to a valuable piece. Expert insights. To gain further insights, we've consulted Numismatic Expert. Let's hear from Expert about the unique qualities that make the 1979 quarter a potential hidden treasure. The 1979 quarter is an intriguing piece for collectors. While not every coin is worth millions, certain varieties, errors, or well-preserved pieces can command significant value. Keep an eye out for specific details, as they can make all the difference. Now, let's take a closer look at the 1979 quarter. Join me as we examine the details of this seemingly ordinary yet potentially valuable piece of American coinage. From the distinctive design featuring Susan B. Anthony to the reverse with the Apollo 11 mission insignia, this quarter has its own story to tell. Let's explore the variations and details that collectors are on the lookout for. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 1979 quarter might be small in size, but it carries the potential for big discoveries. Check your coin jars, sift through your pocket change. You could be holding on to a hidden treasure worth millions. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of the 1979 quarter. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts, and comment below with your own coin stories. Stay tuned for more coin adventures on Numismatic's Coin One. Until next time, happy collecting!